So I just got home, and apparently my household didn't like that I went out. They threw the cat tree in the middle of the floor. Montero, baby, why is the cat tree in the middle of the floor? Key on, huh? What's wrong? What happened in y'all's lives that you needed to throw the cat tree? Lizzo. Grandson, you focus on the wrong things. Who threw the cat tree? Huh? T'Challa? Did you throw the cat tree? Huh? All because the volume's off on the TV. You turned the volume off. I didn't. So throwing the cat tree is not going to solve your problems. They would tear up Jesus if they could. They would. They throw him across the room. Hi, son. Get off of that. Get down. I said to get down. Thank you. Thank you, Keon. Yes, thank you. Get out my cup. I ain't buy no slushie for you.